In this video, I'm going to share with you how you share Leader in Me resources onto Canvas. Here, I'm on the Leader in Me homepage. I'm going to go ahead and select the resource library. And you're going to notice that there's lots of great resources here. I'm going to go ahead and select this one that says Habit 1, Just the Way I Am. And you're going to select that button that is the embed code. And it says embed code. Use this in your learning management system or sites where you can input the HTML. So I'm going to go scroll down over here and then select copy embed code. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to Canvas and select that button right there. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it. Select save. And there you have it.